Hello everyone, welcome back to Love for Knots, my channel where we discuss all of my crafty things. Sometimes knitting, sometimes crochet, sometimes baking, sometimes quilting. Just depends on what we get up to. This is an episode where we're going to discuss the 12 days of cast-ons for the new year. We're going to do day 3, 4, and 5 today. So let's jump in with day 3, which were the Crooner Socks by Nancy Wheeler of Knit Sip Happy. They were her newly released socks. Where are they? Okay. They were her newly released sock pattern that she had with Lay Family Yarns Advent Calendar. I didn't have that calendar, but I did purchase the pattern when she had it up for sale right after the Advent came out. I am using a Christmas Ween yarn from Lolo Did It. It is Peppermint Twist in the September colorway. And this is the main yarn and the mini for the contrast. And this is what we got up to on Saturday. We were traveling for my granddaughter's birthday party and then had all of the things going on. So this is what I got done just on our car drive getting there. So I'm at the point now where she has you add snowflakes. So you take the other end of your yarn and go in and hand embroider snowflakes onto this contrasting part. So that's where I'm at in the process. So when I get a chance to work on these, we'll bring that back out. It's a nice pattern. I believe she just did one using DK yarn that she had on her podcast that she put up yesterday, I think. So that would have been the 4th that she put that up. And that's all I have to say about day 3. Love the yarn. It's the USA Sock by Lolo Did It, which is one of her newer bases. So day 4 of my 12 days of cast-ons was my sock head cal. And that's being held in a bag by Susan of Delightful Works. And the yarn is 3 by the Sea Designs in the Merry and Bright colorway. And I did it on the Amelia base, so it is very, very sparkly. And this is where we're at. We have this much of the ribbing done. It's supposed to go for 4 inches, I think. So we got a good bit done on that yesterday, along with doing all of the things I had to do yesterday. I am enjoying it. It's my first sock head cal. So yeah, I like it. It'll be fun. Oops. So day 5, which was today, ended up being the Ice Landscape, the hybrid knit along that Stephen West does every winter. This is one of the shawls out of there. And I started it this morning. And of course, right away you're using all of your yarn. So all of my yarns are already wound up and in balls, so they're not easy to show, but I did get this much of it done. so far today. It is like 2 in the afternoon, but I've been trying to edit videos and get them uploaded for day. Did I just do day 2? And so this is 3, 4, and 5, yeah. So this is where we're at. This is using his Westwool, the bicycle base, which this was a kit that came out for this shawl. So I bought it, and that was probably my last big yarn purchase for a while. I do love it. All those different shades. And with Stephen West, like his pattern calls for a US 4 needle, I knit his on a US 7. Him and I have different ideas about how our knitting should be. And I think that's all I have so far. If I have any more progress on the shawl today, I will go ahead and get that added into the video. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye, everybody.